In our first demonstration, the Mariner technician is shown using a modified diamond burr on this thick crown. The burr works miracles on crowns 1.5 millimeters and greater. We've included a timer at the bottom of your screen to show real-time results. Watch and be amazed. Notice the effect of our modified diamond burr on this zirconia. The diamond is cutting through without any hesitation. These are the shapes of the burrs available in the kit that Mariner can provide for you. Look at this. The zirconia is completely cut in two. Now in this demonstration, the technician is using a smaller burr. This burr is the favorite of Mariner's master technician. He can cut with it, finish with it, and a lot more. Take note, there's no degradation in the burr even after all of this use. This is the small burr, or the flying saucer, found in our kit. Soon this and other diamond burrs will be provided with a longer shaft for easier use and better control.